Don't jump into that.
If the Honorable Court, my lord, passes an order that we find the appointment was not there at all, court can pass an order, or court would be pleased to direct the appointing authority. How could you appoint him? And if his appointment is correct, then take appropriate action, so that he cannot come and complain that natural justice is violated so far I am concerned.
Therefore, if the appointing, rather the recommending authority is saying that we never recommended Mr. Oyon Das for appointment.
But let that be on affidavit. They have not filed an affidavit to that extent.
Let us understand. And the second, if it is found the board takes a stand that since we did not appoint him, we don't have any disciplinary authority over him.
Void.
So then appointment being void will go automatically. Only the natural justice may demand before declaring, he may be asked to
Explain.
Get an opportunity of hearing.
That's all.
Just go back to your other chamber and call the
commission. No, my lord. Today is there is a holiday in the state government, my lord. That's another problem for me also, my lord. The rally of the Jains and all these things, my lord, and the Wakaf bill and all. There are lots.
You have revoked the suspension of a principal who is directly involved in the illegality, manipulating the appointment of his own wife in a selection process where his wife never participated.
My lord, I bow down.
You want that principal to come to college and teach the students.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
3 and 4 are the new arrested.
3 and 4 new arrested.
Yes.
Where have you explained their involvement?
My lord, I have explained in the last from page 20 on the last page, my lord. One was the Lord Division Clerk of DIAC and another was Dispatch Clerk.
Their involvement where from?
Yes, my lord, I'm just giving.
Who is this Chittoranjan Das? If you come to page 30.
Page
30.
Chittoranjan Das থাকে 30 পুলিশ পাতা দুটো 161 করেছি না আমরা চিত্তরঞ্জন আর বিবেকানন্দ মন্ডল they are the clerks over there. But what has happened, that memo number here also and the dispatch register which subsequently being sent from the headmaster's office, that both those things were tampered by these two.
But who is this Chittoranjan? He is an employee.
No, he's 160. Here we
who is he?
And he is the clerk of DI school.
DI school. And Vivekananda Mondal?
Also the same.
Clerk of the
DI office.
Oh. Is there any relationship of this Subhendu Hatua and
Ashok? That is there. One Ashok Kumar Hatua is there.
Ashok Hatua and Subhendu Ali.
Yes, the father and the son duo. The father is Ashok Kumar Hatua, so he is also here.
No, Subhendu Hatua was subsequently arrested.
No, he was arrested in a different case. He was a teacher.
But how is the relationship this Ashok and Subhendu?
Ashok, no.
No relation. There is another teacher at the school of Subhendu, named Subhendu Hatua. Come to note, page 30.
Subhendu Hatua, ex-teacher. Computer application. এটা তো already একটা কেস হয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ, অলরেডি কেস হয়েছে, ওটা আমরা এক্সামিনও করেছি, কিন্তু কিছু জানে না, এভিডেন্স আমরা এখনো পাইনি।
না, Subhendu Hatwaর এগেইনস্ট তো আলাদা একটা কেস ছিল।
1294
মানে we have interrogated him also. We have interrogated him. Against him there is a specific case already filed.
Yeah.
That is there.
But he was an teacher of another school.
Yes. No. Kamarchak High School.
This
school only.
He has got in the appointment of this in this school. The other two, he has got some involvement. Then
In the another case, in a separate
he
case.
was entangled in his personal case. He has got the appointment.
Yes,
and
yes,
all this.
yes.
Now, in this case, appointment.
In this
of
case,
this
we have
Anand Das-
interrogated him. In this case, he is not involved right now. The person more or less involved are the new
Now,
two.
UDC of Holdia Government College,
that time ও এলডিসি ছিল
case 31.
পুলকেশ মাইতি
These two more arrest persons.
Yes, these are the current arrested.
How this college, UDC of college has got involved with this appointment scam?
তখন সেই স্কুলে ওইখানে ডিআই অফিসে ছিল এখনো পোস্টিং হয়ে গেছে
Oh, that time he was there. Now he is posted here. That time he was posted in DI office
এলডিসি ছিল
as lower division clerk. Now he is upper division clerk of Holdia Government College.
How can he travel there? How he has traveled there?
Education service. They belong to the cadre of education service. না না গভর্নমেন্ট কলেজ বলছি
Government.
মানে গভর্নমেন্ট কলেজে গেছে
The government
In
college.
school, one can go to college.
না না স্কুল
But if he is
No, no, Marat, he was
education
UDC of
service.
DI office.
Therefore, he was in the education service. In the cadre of education service, he can be transferred to a government school or government college, which comes under the administration of the education service.
As a clerk of the same post.
Yes, yes. So he's still a clerk.
Now he has been posted as upper division clerk.
LDC chila, UDC hoyche.
Now, what you have detected, this Oyon Das, he has been arrested.
He was arrested long back.
Now, if his appointment is not through the proper channel, appointment letter was not issued by the board. Where is board? This is the face of the disciplinary body. This is the face of the disciplinary body.
No, অন্য ঘরে মামলা চলছে।
Now then, Mr. Bhattacharya, is there any necessity of initiating any disciplinary proceeding against this Oyon Das?
Ought to be. Because there are two aspects of any millet action. One millet is misconduct, which comes under the disciplinary authority, and another the criminal misconduct, which goes millet to the part of the criminal investigation. Now, the state has millet taken him into custody in terms of millet, the criminal activities committed. But not he is yet to face the millet, the departmental inquiry, which is a millet.
No, that is what my query, exact query is, that his appointment was not through the appointment procedure. Now, the board, which is supposed to be the authority to issue the appointment
to
letter.
give him a millet show cause that how
No,
could you?
my question is very basic now. That if he was not even recommended by commission, he was not appointed by the board. Is the
No,
board is
may I just interrupt? That was in respect of Oyon Kumar Das. Now, Marat, what happened? These persons, being the UDC,
no, don't jump into that. Don't jump.
So, no,
I am on
Marat is-
Oyon Das.
Oh, Marat.
Whether any disciplinary proceeding can be initiated or at all can be necessary.
If the honorable court milord passes an order that we find the appointment was not there at all, court can pass an order, or court would be pleased to direct the appointing authority. How could you appoint him? And if his appointment is correct, then take appropriate action, so that he cannot come and complain that natural justice was violated so far I am concerned.
No, in a situation where an appointment was made without giving go by to all known procedure of appointment,
That is void.
that is void.
Void.
For that,
If the court comes to a finding void, goes. And milord, if the court will still keeps hope on the appointing authority, the court will ask the appointing authority to take appropriate action.
just taking a cue from the recent judgment, the appointment goes.
Goes. The
Without
court comes to a finding that this is void.
Therefore, if the appointing, rather the recommending authority is saying that we never recommended Mr. Oyon Das for appointment,
But let that be on affidavit. They have not filed an affidavit to that extent.
let us understand. And the second, if it is found the board takes a stand that since we did not appoint him, we don't have any disciplinary authority over him.
It's void.
So then appointment being void will go automatically.
Automatic.
Only the natural justice may demand before declaring, he may be asked to
Explain.
get an opportunity of hearing.
That's all.
That's all for Oyon Das. So far, Ashok Kumar Hatua, ex headmaster, he is in receipt of pension.
এগুলো তো আগে বন্ধ না।
Possibly.
It was stopped. It was stopped.
It has been stopped.
There are previous matters against him. So there was a direction. My lord was looking into that. So that has been stopped. The pensions and everything.
In connection with maybe
in a different case, my lord.
But the stopping is the temporary measure. They have to initiate the proceedings for forfeiting of the pension.
Yes. So the possibly even after the retirement, now the position of law may be subject to what you say. The disciplinary proceeding may be initiated, subject to some formalities being observed. Right.
The law is for grave misconduct. Even after retirement, proceedings can be drawn up because he is getting pension.
Maybe there is a procedure.
Yes.
I'm only point. Now, after all, now tell me about the appointment of Mr. Ayon Kumar Das. So please disclose this fact before this court on, because the court is of the opinion, if you are not appointed, give an appointment letter, where is commission, Central School Service Commission, you have not recommended this person, please disclose this fact on affidavit. So far Ayon Das is concerned, so that
if you say that you have not appointed,
that will suffice the purpose. Yes. That in my record there is no such teacher we ever issued any appointment letter.
One line affidavit.
And commission may say from consulting records that we never recommended. Then fact remains, before I declare this Ayon Das, the service is illegal, I may give an opportunity to Ayon Das to justify.
Not only illegal, more harsh action with the forfeiture of salary.
Of course. And whatever the earlier salary, whatever he has to refund all these. And a standard rate of 12%. That rate has been affirmed by Honorable Supreme Court. 12% affirmed. Now,
one thing, verify properly, we require to see which document he is relying upon. Which document is
CID?
I'm showing one thing.
This will
the
take
document which is not in existence.
Yes.
Why can you provide with the document? No appointment letter, no recommendation letter.
Then we will not be able to check from our records whether at all there was ever any.
They can find out the name digitally.
Name here, same names, 100 of candidates.
Mr. Dr. Patro, you are getting the school name. You are getting the person's name.
Appointment year.
Year of appointment. That will the CID, Mr. Nondi, share at least something with the board and with the commission, so that they can.
I am doing investigation on the basis of the documents which they are giving, Manoj. How can I give them documents?
I don't know. I don't know.
This is something that I fail to understand.
I assist your lordship. Yes. Due respect. That they have counter finding on the basis of the investigation carried out.
Three-bench committee.
Yes. No. Now the CID. CID will not has come to a finding that appointment of Ayon Das is non-existent. On the basis of the information given by the board and the school service commission. Now the board and the school service.
Sorry, I missed the point. So 3-member committee, they initially found that this is illegal appointment. They actually asked the DI to lodge the FIR. Then, no document produced.
May just.
Mr. Bhattacharya, so Mrs. Bhattacharya, what I am remembering, that when the name of the Ayon Das came surfaced, this court had directed the 3-member committee to find out the justification of the appointment of Ayon Das. They found that this is not cannot be justified. And DI was asked to lodge a complaint with the concerned police station. It was lost. CID was asked to take over. It has been taken over. Now both of your task is rely on your own report, because you are also the member of the committee. You are also the member of the committee. You just disclose on your affidavit, at least that I never appointed, I never recommended, I never appointed. Then the court will take the action. Please bring it on affidavit. Now the third question comes about these 2 persons.
This is
Lokesh and Subroto Tunga.
Let's peruse this. Now peruse this also. Let's peruse these 2 format fronts. Now, so far as this Ayon is concerned, the format is absolutely different. That was and the original of that is not available in the DI office. So, my lord, this format, this document was created somewhere else, and the job was.
Mr. Nandi, now it is clear that this appointment was approved by the district inspector of school, the then district inspector of school.
No, that is not this appointment. This document should have been in the office.
But it is not. Where from you have recovered this?
This
document?
এটা করতে recover করেছি মানে অয়নের এটা অয়ন তো আমরা এতে নিয়েছিলাম এই অফিস থেকেই আমরা মানে স্কুল মাস দিয়েছিলাম
Photocopy we have received Khamarchok school from the school record. Therefore, it is apparent the approval was made by the DI, and this is the appointment channel appointment made.
and the two formats are absolutely
Because
different.
I want to get in the impression, whatever
And
is coming from commission and the board first, let it be on record. Now, these two, Pulokesh and Shubroto, they are the employees of the education department. Who is for the state?
The state in this matter, my lord.
What
Yes.
is on like
Now, Pulokesh and Shubroto,
No, may I just get back those? Otherwise, it will be mixing.
Pulokesh and Shubroto
My lord.
is under custody. They are under custody. They are under custody.
Lordship.
They have been suspended. Suspension order issued.
That, my lord, I have to take instruction, my lord. I have no instruction as of now, my lord.
By operation of law,
No suspension.
they have
Yes.
to
Now, stay for issuance of
custody that. Custody that.
automatic suspension.
My lord, I have no clue, my lord. I have to take instruction from them, my lord.
That who will issue that suspension order? Who will issue that?
When they have arrested, my lord, that my lord, after that, definitely, if it is they have not been joined there.
Authority to issue the suspension order. Who is the disciplinary authority? So, who is the disciplinary authority?
Without the employer is without the commissioner of education. Therefore, the
So, my lord, I have to then file a report to that effect, my lord, with regard to these two, my lord.
not there
What
is,
to do, my lord? What else I can do, my lord?
you just, Mr. Mollik, inquire
Ah, sir.
the commissioner of school education.
My lord.
Two, the arrest have been reported to him.
I shall, my lord. I
So,
shall.
no, I shall means just go back to your other chamber and call the
No,
commissioner.
my lord. Today is there is a holiday in the state government, my lord. That's another problem for me also. That's why no officer has come today.
free of declaring holiday. What is the
No,
holiday?
no, it's a national holiday. Except High Court, everyone is closed. Even the bank also. Mohabit Jayanti. And because of this Mohabit Jayanti, I couldn't go to court, my lord.
The court asked
And
me,
there's traffic jam in the morning, my lord. I have stranded in Howrah nearly 1 hour. So I have decided to come back, doing it virtually.
There is a huge jam because of this.
Yes, my lord. The rally of the Jains and all these things, my lord. And the walk-up bill and all. There are lots of problems in the morning, my lord.
Next week or anything left behind.
we do not know. It will suddenly overnight you will feel holiday next night.
At least no strike.
But the,
Strike has reduced, sir.
but the commissioner has a mobile phone.
Official strike has reduced.
Commissioner has a mobile phone, my lord.
There is no strike.
So just commissioner has a mobile phone. Ask him over phone
I shall, my lord.
that this has been reported to him.
My lord.
Not whose responsibility is this to report it? Obviously, the college where they are working or the authority under whom they are working.
My lord, can you give me then two names, my lord? I just called him and accordingly I will inform.
He's now authorized him to suspend. Because now he is not in the control of the disciplinary action. Therefore, my lord, please direct the Haldia Government College to take appropriate action against this person.
The name of these two employees,
Lordship.
Maiti,
What mighty, my lord?
Pulokesh Maiti,
Lordship.
DI, Secondary Education, Purbo Medinipur,
My lord.
and Subroto Tunga, dispatch clerk. No,
Lordship.
not dispatch clerk.
No, my lord, he is right now the typist of DI of school,
Who?
secondary education, my lord, Mr. Tunga. My the last page, my lord, peruse, my lord, at present position. Sir, it, Purbo Medinipur.
Oh, Pulokesh Maiti is the UDC of Haldia Government College. Haldia Government College. Who is
Lordship.
the
I shall. Haldia Government College is a, my lord. Let me talk with the commissioner and I shall revert back within a few minutes, my lord.
the Haldia Government College commissioner cannot be.
Like
I don't think so, my lord.
our employee will not is sent to some authority, then the disciplinary authority becomes that state authority. Here, the Holdia Government College is an independent body. The governing body of the college will take
Ah.
appropriate action.
So Holdia Government College
Lordship.
and Subro Tunga is the typist of DI office, AC Purbo Mednipur.
My lord.
আমরা জানিয়ে দিয়েছি
Lordship.
Two.
These are two persons.
Ma'am, we have already intimated the principal of Holdia College
Right thing, right thing.
and the DI of that concept
Right thing.
regarding that.
Steps.
That already they have been informed. Your task is to inquire from them whether any suspension order has been issued to them and
Hold on.
disciplinary
Let us
action has
recheck
been
it, sir.
taken or not.
I shall revert back to his lordship. Just now, let me talk with the commissioner.
If the general board, the governing body, this is called governing body, na? Governing body fails to do so, same thing will happen. DPI will intervene, and again, the college governing body will be dissolved. Administrator will be appointed.
Lordship. Lordship.
You just inquire of these two. Now, these are
I shall.
school is concerned. The school is concerned. Now, come
Yes,
to the
sir.
college.
School is over.
Where from I will look into it.
Not, it's a different. That is only so far as Tamluk is concerned. This is a different. Malad can keep that.
Okay,
in.
this is
in respect of that.
let's it properly.
Malad,
File it properly.
I'm doing it.
Seal cover. Otherwise, it will be mixed up. Now, the other part of the
Hey.
order is
The other part
The-
was of the
yes, the governing body of this Saldia College, na?
Salvia.
They has been dissolved.
result.
Administrator has been appointed.
They preferred an appeal. Appeal court didn't interfere.
My lord, I am for the governing body of the Shaldia College, my lord. We had preferred an appeal on the fact that we have not been given an opportunity before, my lord. So that was taken up by my lord Justice Shomenchan as well as my lord Justice Smita Das, my lord. My lord, now I am not placing that order because
You
it
are
has,
not a governing body. You are no more. You were the governing.
no, my lord, we have been given the direction by my lord Justice Shomenchan that we,
Listen, you were the governing.
my lord, we have been directed to adjudicate the same issues in front of my lord and the issues of the erstwhile governing body, as we had not been given an opportunity to present our case before my lord. Now, my lord, if my lord is willing to take up that matter, my lord, I'm being led by Mr. Torov, but I'll just show one fact, my lord, that we had never denied the DPI that we will not take any action against the principal, my lord. And that is on record. I've placed it before my lord. If my lord wants, I will place that exact annexure right now.
Yeah, it's your
Now, my
opportunity.
lord, Sheikh Sirajuddin is concerned, my lord. He has been suspended by the new administrator. The document is I have, my lord. I will hand it up to his lordship, my lord. My junior will hand it up to his lordship.
Next question would be: you are representing the administrator.
Lordship.
Very well. Very well.
My lord, may I just place one more thing, my lord?
Wait.
My lord.
The administrator is before me. The erstwhile GB is before me. The GB is to justify, or rather, they are agreed by the dissolution of the GB. Of course, they will be getting the chance. I'll be allowing you to file your affidavit. File it. It will be.
My lord,
time.
it's filed. It's before your lordship.
No, I am not giving you any direction to file.
My lord, there was a direction in the order of the division bench, my lord.
Let me see now.
My lord,
You are not yet added as a party. Wait,
My lord,
wait. You have to agitate this. File your application
we
for
have filed
admission.
it. It's before my lord.
Application.
Let them file affidavit to that. Addition reply, then I will consider your application for addition. But so
Now, my
far,
lord, so far that person is concerned, he has been suspended. The document my junior have, my lord. Biman kagosta diye de Judge Sahib ki.
Administrator is now functioning. The act is functioning. He has taken appropriate steps, suspending the person concerned. So let that situation continue. Erstwhile GB has no focus as of now.
of course, suspension is in contemplation of a disciplinary proceeding.
Yes.
No, my lord. Of course, my lord. Because now, my lord, disciplinary proceedings has been stayed. Now, my lord, he has been suspended, and I had instructed them, my lord, to take immediately start the DP.
With the go by of the earlier GB, everything has gone.
Yes.
Everything has gone, my lord. Now, কাগজটা দে না রে বাবা জজ সাহেবকে কি হাতে নিয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে আছিস?
This one. Hey, Dido.
Your Lordship, I am for the respondent number 12, the principal. We have not received any communication till date or the suspension.
Wait. Everyone will be communicated with everything.
দাঁড়িয়ে আছো তুই সিনিয়রকে বিরক্ত করে দিচ্ছিস হ্যাঁ
কখন থেকে এটা কাগজটা কি আমি জিজ্ঞেস করলাম লাস্টে কি দিবি ভাই?
সেটা কাজ করছে
This is so far you file your application for addition. Let me see the division bench order
yes
challenging the dissolution of the.
কত কিছু করেছিস তোরা?
প্রথমে লিভ টু ফাইল করতে হয়েছে না, বিকজ নট এ পার্টি।
paragraph 6.
ফাইল করেছি,
করে দিয়েছিল।
ক্যান ফাইল আছে, ক্যান চার্জ দুটো
কিছু দিবি না নাকি? কাউকে কিছু দিবি না?
স্যার আমাদেরকে ডিরেকশন ছিল শুধু স্টেট আর
ভালো, খুব ভালো।
তুমি বলে দেবেন।
না না, ঠিক আছে, খুব ভালো। বিলি করতে হবে, যত কম দিবি তত ভালো। বিলি করতে হবে।
এটা রেপুটেশন কে সার্চ করার
ভালো।
ডিরেকশন ছিল।
এইটা বলো, বাইরে একটু আস্তে করতে।
এই যে হলিডে, এই যে আমি তো জিবি কোর্টে নিয়ে আছি, আর তুমি নেই মানে কেউ নেই। ডিপিআই
কিছু তো
So, have you gone through this order? As it appears, by granting the erstwhile governing body to file an affidavit in this matter, virtually their addition has been allowed. So, we may formally add them in the matter. And the affidavit which has been, leave has been granted to file an affidavit. You may file it. It is your choice whether you will be filing such affidavit after seeing the further development of the matter or now, whatever, it is your choice. But all the parties were there, they will be getting the opportunity to file their reply to your affidavit. Now, this is the scope of your intervention in the matter, which has been explained by the Honorable Division Bench.
My
You
lord,
are
may I just
willing to
indicate
file the affidavit now?
my lord, it has already been filed and copy has been served to the writ petitioner as well as the state. Can 4 and 5, my lord.
Well, in this
case, my lord.
can 4 is for
Can 4 is for the impeachment application for addition of parties, and my lord, can 5 is the recalling application, my lord. If my lord takes it up. Of the order regarding the dissolution of the 13th.
How it is maintainable?
My lord, that my lord will.
No, how it is maintainable? The division
My
bench
lord-
has affirmed the order of the only giving you the opportunity.
No, my lord.
In the conduct of the governing body.
Absolutely, my lord. My lord, if given an opportunity, my lord, I will show that nowhere we had denied to take care of the instructions given to us by the DPI. I'll show, it is on record before my lord.
Sorry.
So,
But
right
the
now,
fact remains,
my lord,
you have revoked the suspension
my lord.
of a principal who is directly involved in the illegality, manipulating the appointment of his own wife in a selection process where his wife never participated.
My lord, I bow down.
You want that principal to come to college and teach the students.
My lord, I bow down.
To justify all these things. File your, and you will be getting your opportunity.
Grateful.
Now, the last
Grateful.
part of my order is, so far, this is another matter, na? Saldia College goes in view of the development. Now come to Sanjeev Das matter. There I have not much to do. Now what happened? What happened thereafter?
26th March, the division bench passed the judgment.
No, that I've seen.
Yes.
Now what is the position of how? Oh, I have not seen. I am only inquiring about the criminal case. Howrah PS case number 105. Who is the investigating officer?
I don't know.
IO, who is the IO?
IO, because I have to attend this and I have to attend, I don't know, over there also. He's here.
What is the position?
Present position is,
Arrested that.
no, we have issued warrant of, kindly peruse this order.
It offer.